Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today is an open collaboration called Silly Rabbit Easter is for Jesus. It is an open invite and it is hosted by the Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Grandma's Sandy, Mabel's Tables, J Mom's Creation, The Robin Nest by Terry, DIY by RE, Pretty DIY, The RE Lifestyle, Marlene's How To, Deborah Kabaska, Home Living, and Design with Emma. And that's me. So come along and let me show you what I have done for Silly Rabbit Easter is for Jesus. What I've done here, I've made a little centerpiece. I use this tree-like item that I purchased at Goodwill. And what I've done, I've added a bow with the Easter egg on top of it. I put a couple of Easter eggs on the side, a candle in the center, and then I surrounded it with Easter eggs. I'm going to use this as a centerpiece for my tables for Easter. And on each side, as you can see, I have placed the X and the O's. But this will be my centerpiece for one of my tables for Easter. And it was very easy. All I've done here, I went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a couple of bags of eggs. I put a candle in here that I already had, tied a bow, and added the Easter eggs on the side. So this is my DIY for Silly Rabbit. We also was asked to read a Bible verse. So what I'm going to read is going to be John 11:25-26 for Easter. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, and whoever lives by believing in me will never die. John 11:25-26. I hope I've given you an idea today on a DIY for your Easter table. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I want to thank all of the creators who are participating in this Silly Rabbit collaboration. Make sure you go over and check out all their channels. I will be leaving their information in my description box. This is Emma, and I will see you in my next video.